hope your day is going peachy. Yay! It's been such a long time since I've uploaded a video. Ow! It's been such a long time since I uploaded a video, like 2 years, like it's crazy. And with my TikTok taking off and being in Korea, I feel like it's more right to post more videos and do more things that would be more fun. Big update, I don't know if you already got it from what I said, but I moved to Korea, like I always wanted to. Today, we have a glorious thing for you. We have something amazing, we have something great for you. We have a pink Shein haul. I have so many clothes for you. I'll make some outfits and stuff, but I don't have enough pink clothes. Like I love pink and pink is my favorite color, but I don't have enough pink. And that's just not fair to you and not fair to me. But let's get started. Let's see what we have here. What have we got here? Anyway, I'll show you the outfits and yeah, let's get to it. Okay, I'm gonna be honest, I didn't press or steam any of these, so they're gonna be wrinkled because they're right out of the bag. Well, this is the first dress. Okay, first thing, see-through. I'm gonna have to wear shorts with this. Other thing, not big-breasted friendly, but it does look cute and it is springy and I would like, looks good, but super thin. Kind of disappointed in it. I mean, I look good in it. Okay, let's talk about disappointment in the most utterly terrible terms. This dress, so disappointing. And I got it, and what is this? What is this cut? I mean, does this look better? I mean, it probably does, but I don't know how to wear it off the sleeves because I got ladies. I don't know how to do off the sleeve. I'm so disappointed. I was so excited to try this on. Sad day. I will now be pairing everything with high-waisted skinny jeans that are shirts, and then I will try on the skirt I bought. So, here's a sweater I got with little hearts on it. Let's tuck this bad boy in my pants. I mean, it's cute. I have to wear a tank top under it, but hey, it works nicely. And it's pink. I mean, it's kind of another disappointment. It's a crop top. I just feel like it makes me look gigantuan. What if I put this in here? No, that doesn't make sense. No. Yes. Only thing I don't like is that it's really tight on the arms, but I can figure out something with that. Yes. I don't know why, but yes. So I love it. Yes. Another outstanding. Yes. Pink academia. I love it. This makes me feel like I'm from on the farm. No waves or anything. And it's too big. I belted it. Maybe? I don't know. I'm just not feeling it. I feel like someone else could benefit from this. Look how big it is. Too big. This is a little bit too small. I mean, if I lost a few pounds, it would be perfect. The pockets go down so deep. It was a struggle bus to get on. I definitely jumped around my room for a while. Yes, dear God in heaven, it's finally happened. I found myself a pink tennis skirt. Yes! This. So this is love. So this is love. You can do cute dances. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I need to buy 7,000 of this skirt. Oh my gosh, yes. So yeah, that's my Shein haul, my pink Shein haul. But isn't this a mood, yo? We'll film some TikToks. Yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, please hit subscribe and hit the notification bell, and also go check out my Instagram, Elinlin, and my TikTok, Peachy Elin. I do a lot of Korean content and plus size content because we deserve to have cute clothes too. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Bye.